In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can insert an audio in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then from here, we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the Insert tab. Click on that. And here you can find Object. Click on this drop down and click on Object. Now you have here Create New or Create from File. Click on Create from File. Click on Browse and browse for the location of your audio. So I have this one from here. Then simply click on Insert, and then here you just need to simply click on OK. And that's it. You have just added an audio in your Microsoft Word. You can also increase its size if you want to. You can resize using these dots on each sides of the box. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.